Actually, if it's a results.
Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to add caption in Capcut. So to add caption in Capcut, let's head over to our Capcut application first. So as you can see, I have started a project in here. So if I want to add any caption in here, what I will do is select a timeline in where I want to give my caption. And then I will just tap on the text option on the bottom. And in here, click on add text. And here you can just choose any template, font, according to your need, and then styles, effects, and animations, etc. So I'm just choosing fonts right now. So I'm choosing italic, and I'm going to write the text in here that is rainy day, and just click on the tick mark, and it is done. You can also set the duration for the text that will appear in your video. So yeah, this is how you can just add any caption on CapCut. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.